All right, now we're going into the collection status, I do believe. So NCB is a collection agency. A collection account previously in dispute, now resolved. No, it's not. This is in collections. That's what it says. I think NCB is a collection agency. What is this? Balance owed. So a collection agency is with the the original debtor. I think this what is NCB? Hold on. Do you think I would have all these people memorized and I don't? NCB Management Services. I am almost 100% sure that it is a collection agency. Let's see. Let me share my screen with y'all as I look it up. NCB Management Services. Let's see what it is. Uh, 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 Not Neon. NCB Management. I think it's a collection agency. Yep, it's a collection agency. All right. So yeah, don't contact these people. I forgot. Actually, I did a video and I think I had NCB and I was talking about collections and charge outs and collection agencies, and they were on my list. Okay, so let me log back in Smart Credit, and actually let me stop sharing real fast because I do not want to show their personal information.